It was a beautiful day on the island of Solon. Everyone was playing, having enjoyed their picnic, and there was a train at the last stop. But that didn't stop the train from going.
Bop, bop, meow.
Let's come to the island of
Coupled. Next. Connected. Climb up. Oop, the train's moving. Gotta get in. Uh-oh. It's a track.
So, the train was moving, everyone was happy. The train conductor was driving the train. He said the notch A until we fell asleep. And then everyone was screaming. Even the conductor jumped off the train. We'll see what happens.
Uh-oh.
Ah! The passenger screamed. Oh no.
Whoa.
Oh no, the train's about to crash! Well, at least I wasn't in that train.